Hello everyone, welcome to HypeScout. In this video, I will show you how you can sign up as a brand on HypeScout. To sign up as a brand, go to business.hypescout.co and click on Join Now at the top right of the page. On the next page, fill up all the fields with the necessary information such as full name, email, phone number, and password. Then click on Agree and sign up. You will get an email verification code. Just check your email and type your 6-digit security code. In this page, you need to give some information about your company, such as if it's a brand or an agency, name and short description of your company website or social media link, and country. Once you are done, click on the Finish button. That's it. You have successfully signed up as a brand on HypeScout. Now, you can launch campaigns, find influencers, view profiles and get insights, chat and shortlist them for a campaign. But those will be explained in another video. Your influencer marketing starts here. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. If you have any queries, feel free to send us a message on our social media accounts and our team will get back to you.